In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch signatures in Gmail. If you've already set up multiple signatures in your Gmail web settings, this walkthrough will show you how to choose the right one while you're composing, and how to set smart defaults so the right signature appears automatically. Start by opening Gmail in your desktop web browser. Click Compose to start a new message. In the draft window that appears, look along the bottom toolbar of the message for the pen or signature icon. It's usually near the formatting tools. Click that icon, then choose Insert Signature. A small menu will pop up showing every signature you've already created. Click the one you want for this specific email, and Gmail will drop it straight into your message body instantly. If you change your mind, you can click the pen icon again and pick a different one. Gmail will replace the existing signature in your draft so you can keep writing without losing your place. This flexibility is great when you need different tones. For example, you might keep a polished, full-length signature for formal communication, a shorter version for quick notes, and a variation tailored for clients versus internal colleagues. After inserting, take a second to glance over formatting, links, and any images to make sure everything looks correct in the context of your email. If you're replying in a long thread, a concise signature can help keep the conversation readable. If you'd like Gmail to choose a signature automatically, set your defaults. Click the gear icon in Gmail, open See All Settings, and in the General tab, scroll to the Signature section. Find Signature Defaults. There, you can assign one signature for new emails and a different one for replies and forwards. This is helpful if you want a full signature on fresh messages, but a lighter one when you're deep in a back and forth. Once you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Your defaults will apply right away. A couple of quick notes. Multiple signatures and in-compose switching work in the web version of Gmail. On the mobile app, you'll likely only have access to your default signature, so plan accordingly. If you don't see the signature selector in Compose, make sure you're using the latest Gmail interface and confirm that your signatures exist in Settings. With these tips, you can switch signatures on the fly and set thoughtful defaults, keeping your emails consistent, professional, and perfectly matched to each situation.